Hello guys, we are starting our journey towards Zurich in Switzerland, and we are now in Zagreb. It is 5 a.m. and we have 855 kilometers to go. Border time, and now back with controls, I think. All right, went through, and now it's time to buy the vignette. We will buy here the vignette for both Slovenia and Austria. So the Austrian one is the sticker, while the Slovenian is just the e-vignette now. And I will put this one here, but I will leave the space for the Swiss vignette as well. And we are ready to continue our journey. We just entered Austria. Beautiful scenery around us. Facelifted Tesla Model 3 on the way to new owners, and Clio facelift as well. Some nice specs here. And we are now in Germany, refueling the car. And let me show you this, it's a bit weird. So all of those are black, and then of course you do have the lettering here, so you know that this is, for example, the petrol 98 octane. But yeah, it's a bit weird to see the black one, because in Croatia the black ones are the ones for the diesel. But yeah, filling up the car, and look at the price here. That's a lot for 1 liter, and we have a bit over half of a tank to fill, and that's it, around 40 liters, 96.22 euros. And we are now on the de-restricted part of the Autobahn, which means we can do this legally. It's so nice and relaxing to drive this car at high speeds. And today, of course, we do have traffic, so not sure if we'll be able to see the top speed, which is 250 for this car. But yeah, it's always fun to do some accelerations and pass 200 kilometers per hour. And you may heard the sound, so it's the artificial sound when you are in the Sport Plus mode, and then this is the normal sound of the engine. And in Sport Plus and Sport, or in individual, you can configure it out. You have this more pronounced sound. So tell me in the comments, what are your thoughts on that? I really love it. I think it gives this extra feel behind the steering wheel. And again, the restricted part of the German highway. another quick stop, and I've parked next to the new Lotus Emira. What we're gonna do, we're gonna buy this, the Vignette for Switzerland. Let me show you both cars from the rear. And they look very cool together like this. So this is how the Swiss Vignette looks. You can only buy the Vignette for the whole year. And I'm gonna put it in here so it's not in a way and not in driver's field when you are driving. And look at this. Hello there. Border with Switzerland coming soon. Standing behind this lovely 7 Series 750i. Taking it easy in Switzerland, and look at those trains here. And we made it to the beautiful city of Zurich. We are here in the city center. You may spot the Ferrari over there as well. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe and see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Now turn left. Now turn right.